everybody! I'm documenting my today's activity. Samahan niyo ako sa paggawa dito sa front yard garden or mini garden because I'm just utilizing the little space we have. Hindi po 6 hectares ang area natin kaya tingnan natin kung ano ang kahihinatnan nito. And dahil wala akong exact plan about how it will look like, so basta na lang ako nagsimulang mag-transfer ng lupa doon sa kabilang side sa pader kasi doon mas may araw. Here I want to plant some green leafy vegetables such as kangkong, alagbati, table tops, and Chinese kangkong. I'm also restoring some of my flowers to attract pollinators which help to maintain biodiversity and support crop production. I keep one mulberry tree in that area to provide food not just for birds but also for kids and myself. Kita niyo naman, may mga bata dyan. Mulberry po sa dyan nila. But I asked their help na lang kasi di na kaya ng lola niya. My garden is too little but these plants provide habitats for a variety of insects, birds, and other wildlife. Through this, we create microhabitats that support a wide range of species, contributing to ecosystem diversity. I would also encourage everyone to plant in any ways. Plants play a vital role in supporting human health. It gives us healthy fresh air, food that's full of nutrients, vitamins, and minerals that support overall well-being. Let's protect and restore biodiversity because it's a collective responsibility that benefits both nature and society. Ika nga ni David Wolf, plants can live without human, but humans can't live without plants. O diba? Kaya, let's plant na. Diyan po, table tops po yan, tinanim ko. And may kangkong din mga maya, and also yung alubati. Dadagdagan ko pa yan next day kapag okay na po yung katawan ko ulit. And medyo maulan-ulan sa mga oras na yan, kaya inilisan po natin. And nag-pray din ako na sana mamayang gabi na lang yung ulan para mabubuhay talaga yung mga tanim natin. So, this is how it look like. Hindi pa nga tapos, pero at least may natanim na. And lalagyan pa natin ng bato-bato dyan sa baba para hindi po dadalhin, hindi po madala sa ulan yung mga lupa.